Hi guys, I am Riya. Welcome back to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, I make videos related to skincare, healthcare, fitness and sometimes fashion also. So if you are into any of these, do consider subscribing my channel and hit the bell icon. Today I'm going to share with you my top 5 picks of facial kits that are available in the market, and I have chosen this on the basis of a lot of research and I have used them personally, and then I'm recommending this to you. So these facial kits will be ranging from, like, the lowest one will be below 150 rupees and the highest one will be I guess 750 to 800 rupees. According to your choice and according to your budget and according to your skin type, you can choose any one of them. Also, I'm going to show you the process that how you can do your own facial at your home, because the parlor these days are too much costly. Like, I don't prefer going to the parlor, but if you are someone like who wants to relax, because when you get the massage from somebody else, then you can sit and relax. So for that you can definitely visit the parlor. But if you are someone who is like me, I like to save my money more than that relaxation, so that's why I do it at my home on a monthly basis. But sometimes I prefer going to the parlor when after like 5 to 6 months, when I really need that relaxation, when I really like to have that soothing and calming effect, then I visit the parlor. So yeah, without any further delay, let's begin the video. So the first one is the Abs Goodness facial kit. So they have a lot of facial kits in different ranges, and all of them are very cheap. Like, they are not at all costly and very much affordable. So if you are looking for a very affordable facial kit, then you can definitely try this out. And they have a lot of varieties. Like, you can get their Diamond Rejuvenating Facial Kit which has charcoal in it, and this is the most popular one. And they also have a Gold Glow Facial Kit. So I will definitely link all of these facial kits in the description box and you can check it out there. This Diamond Rejuvenating Facial Kit has charcoal in it. So we know that this activated charcoal is very much good for our skin, and it helps to deep cleanse your skin, and it removes all the dead skin cells, and it can also clear your clogged pores, so you can get a very good glow after you use this facial kit. So this is a 5-step facial kit. The first step is a cleanser, the second one is a scrub, and the third one is a massage cream which you have to massage for at least 12 to 15 minutes, and the fourth is a face pack, that is a wash off face pack, and the fifth one is a moisturizer. So they also gives a moisturizer, so it's a very good thing because very few facial kits come with a moisturizer. So you can also go for their Gold Glow Facial Kit, and it will also give a nice glow to your skin, and it will help to even out your uneven skin tone, and also deal with the clogged pores and blackheads, and clear out your skin really well. And if you are someone who likes to use the fruit facials, then you can definitely purchase their dragon fruit brightening facial kit. And most of these facial kits are within 135 rupees, and you can also get them at offers on the website, that is purple.com. So the second one is the VLCC Diamond Facial Kit. I have used this personally, and I have a brown skin tone, so I cannot recommend this to those girls who have a brown skin tone or a darker skin tone. But those who have a fair skin tone, they can definitely purchase this one, and it will give you a very nice glow to your skin. You can see the results immediately, and it also lasts for a longer time. It has a price of rupees 350, but on Amazon or on a purple.com you can get this at rupees 260 to 270, I think. So yeah, so that's a very good deal. As I said, that it will give you a long lasting glow on your face. So this VLCC facial kit claims that it stimulates the skin to fight against premature aging, and which is caused by pollution, and it also gently removes all the dirt and grime by detoxifying the skin. It also evens out your skin tone, nourishes dry, patchy skin to reveal a clear, glowing and youthful complexion. So overall, it is a very good facial kit for those who have a fairer skin tone, and it will definitely leave a long lasting effect on your face. So this VLCC facial kit has jojoba oil, olive oil and aloe vera in it, and that's why it makes your skin a little bit oily, and if you are okay with it, you can purchase this. And it's a 6-step facial kit. So the first step is a cleanser cum toner, the second step is a diamond scrub, then comes the detox lotion, the fourth one is the massage gel, and the fifth one is the wash off mask, and the sixth one is the moisturizer. So you also get a moisturizer with this facial kit. So like, I love this thing about this product. So the third one is this Lotus Herbals Radiant Diamond Facial Kit. So this one is the facial kit that I am using for a very long time, like a very long time, and it just gives amazing results on my skin, and I can just see the difference instantly. So it's a 4-step facial kit in which the first step is to scrub, and the second one is a activator gel, and the third one is the massage cream, and the fourth one is the face mask. So it's a very simple use facial kit. And like, if you have dry, damaged and dehydrated skin, and you are seeing the signs of aging on your skin like fine lines and wrinkles, then you can definitely purchase this product. And it has some active natural ingredients like amber extract, cinnamon extract and diamond dust. So yeah, overall it's a very nice facial kit, and it comes in a price range of about rupees 270 to 300, but on offers you will get this at a price of 240 also. So that's a very good deal for this product. So the fourth one is the Cheryls Cosmeceuticals Oxyblast facial kit, and like, it's the most amazing facial kit in this price range. The thing that fantasizes me the most is that it is a 7-step facial kit, not 5, not 6. It's a 7-step facial kit, you guys. And like, in this price range, like, it has a price of only rupees 300. Like, it's an amazing facial kit in this price. So the main ingredients are papain, zinc, PCA, cucumber extract. It also has bisabolol, olive leaf extract, vitamin E, arbutin and aloe vera and Canadian willow herb in this. And like, all these ingredients are very much good for your skin, and it has a very decent ingredient list, and you will just love the effect that it leaves on your skin. Like, it will give you that instant parlor wala glow, and if you have some party or something like that, you can just go on with this facial and you will have that glow instantly. So the fifth one is the costliest facial kit among all of this, and I did this only once till now. I was just shocked with the results, because I can't believe that any facial kit can give you this much even and polished skin, because obviously it's a bridal facial kit, so it will be different from the other facial kits that I discussed just right now. But still, like, I was just super amazed with the results that it gave on my skin. So it's the O3 Bridal Radiant and Glowing Facial Kit. So this O3 brand has 3 facial kits in their bridal range. If you have a huge occasion, then you can definitely use this facial kit 2 to 3 days prior to that occasion, and this will give your skin that healthy, glowy and youthful look, and your skin will look really smooth and polished. And the price of this facial kit is rupees 750, and O3 also has the other facial kits in the price of rupees 700. All of these facial kits that I discussed till now are single time use facial kits, but they come in a very good quantity, so you can also use them twice. So yeah, so now I am going to show you that how I do my own facial at home when I am in that mood of pampering myself. So yeah, so I don't have any makeup on my face, so I will be starting directly with the scrubber step. That is the first step of this facial kit. So first things first, so I have to tie this hairband on my head so that my hair doesn't come on my face and it disrupts me while doing the facial. So let's tie this out. So yeah, I have tied my hair up, and now I will be doing my facial. So you can see that it has this 4 sachet. So the first step is the cleansing scrub. So guys, be very gentle with your skin while scrubbing, because it's a physical scrub, it's a physical exfoliant, and it can cause micro tears on your skin if you are not careful, and if you like press it against your skin really harsh, and it can be harmful for your skin. So don't forget to apply it on your neck area also. See, I am doing this very gently on my skin. And see, the color of this scrub matches with my polish. Use both of your hands to scrub your face. If you have blackheads, then scrub more near your nose area. So you have to scrub for 2 to 3 minutes. It will be enough. So I'm done with scrubbing my face, and I will just quickly wash it off. Guys, you can see that I have washed my face, and from the very first step you will see the difference in your skin. Like, it gives a brightening effect. When you are scrubbing, don't scrub over your eyes, because this area is very much soft and sensitive, and you will get fine lines or wrinkles if you scrub near this near your eyes. Second is this activator gel. So it says that take 5 to 7 drops of activator, apply on the face and massage it for 2 to 3 minutes without wiping. Follow the next step. So here I am going to take this. So it's like this. It's a runny consistency. I have to massage it for 2 to 3 minutes. So always massage in the way I am doing. Never pull your face downwards. Always pull your face upwards. It's very much soothing, guys. It's very much soothing. This gel is very much soothing for your skin. I just love massaging my skin, because massaging helps to circulate the blood really well on your face and neck. Massage your eyes in this way, in circular motion. Like, if you are tired, it will help you to relax. I swear, I wish I had a jade ruler or something. Like, I will definitely purchase it later, but now I don't have that. So the gel has got absorbed in my skin. You can see. Now the third step is the massage cream. So it says that apply the massage cream and gently massage all over face, neck in circular motions. Reapply frequently. Continue massage for around 10 to 15 minutes for best results. Remove the cream with any damp cotton. You can see that it's a very thick cream and it's a massage cream. The trick is you have to always massage your face in upward and outward directions, not downward and inward. Like you can see, it is getting harder for me to massage my face, so I will take a little amount of water and then I will massage it again. Try to relax as much as you can while you are massaging your face. You have to massage your face like this for 10 to 15 minutes because the most important step in your facial is the massage. I have learned to massage like this from the parlor wali didi because whenever I went to the parlor, I used to observe the way they massage my skin, and from them I have learned these techniques. Like obviously you will feel much more relaxed if somebody else does this for you, but it's okay for me because it saves a lot of money. So guys, I'm just done with massaging my face and I have just washed my face well. So the fourth and the last step is this mask. So this is a wash off mask. So it is written that apply a generous amount of the mask on the face and neck. After the mask dries, rinse thoroughly or remove with moist cotton, pat dry. So okay, let's apply this. So guys, I have applied this face mask on my entire face and neck, and I have to keep this for about 10 to 15 minutes. So yeah, I will be back in just a few more minutes. So now you can see the final face after doing the facial. So you can see that my face is glowing and um, it is looking much more firm and polished and smooth and much more even skin toned after doing the facial. So these were the 4 easy steps of this Lotus facial kit, and any facial kit you buy, you can read the instructions that are written on the packaging and you can do the facial according to that. So it's very easy guys, you can also do this at your home on your own and you will get that glow instantly. So I don't go to parlors anymore like every month. So I prefer going to parlors after like 6 to 7 months, only if I have any occasion or something like that. Only then I go to the parlors, otherwise I do it on my own. So yeah, so I'm very much happy that I did this. And don't forget to apply moisturizer after removing the mask because it makes your skin really dry. So I always apply a moisturizer. And if you like this video, give a big fat thumbs up on my video. Please do subscribe to my channel because that encourages me to do more such videos for you people. And I just love you so much.